We need to pray. God told me to tell you, even the people watching, we need to pray about Ebola. We need to pray about Ebola. I don't want to say more than that, but we need to pray. We need to, regardless, we don't have it, but we need to pray. Can you hear me? And pray for all other countries that are already affected. We need to pray. When we pray for others, God also will prevent us. Can you hear me? But when we love others, God will love at us. But if we pray for those in trouble, God will prevent us. Are you together? We need to pray. Can you hear me? We need to pray. Thank you very much.